Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making Italian stuffed shells. Put ground turkey into pan. Break up the ground turkey and then let it cook. Add the spaghetti sauce. Add oregano into sauce. Stir it up. Boil some water for the noodles and add salt in it, garlic, and olive oil. Add in noodles and cook it for 8 minutes. Get a bowl and put ricotta cheese in it. Add mozzarella cheese. Add Parmesan cheese. Add 1 egg. Mix all that together in a bowl. Add oregano. Add nutmeg. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to spaghetti sauce. Add parsley to the cheese mixture. Spray pan with cooking spray. Add sauce into the pan. Fill shells with cheese mixture and put in the pan face down. Once you're done stuffing all the shells, you're going to cover it with sauce. Sprinkle mozzarella cheese and Parmesan cheese. Put in the oven on 350 for 35 minutes.